Okay, he has the rest of the Bomba. He had half a pack before, so now he's got the rest of the half a pack. He picked out a mango squeeze, and that's the shell. He did really good peeling this egg, Raphael. He peeled an egg for himself. Here, let me just wash your egg a little bit because it's got some shells on it, okay? Yeah. You did really good. I did wash dishes. I just didn't clean the sink. It's got popcorn kernels in it. Oh yeah, we're gonna watch it. Okay, yeah, it looks really good. You're gonna have a really good lunch tomorrow. Did super good. I'm proud of you. That's what we do in the evening, just to get ready, you know, for the morning. Okay, his lunch for today is a lot of grapes. He requested a lot. 3 pieces of Parmesan cheese. This is like that cookie thing that I showed you earlier, and a boiled egg. Okay, this is lunch for tomorrow. We're packing it right now. We got a rice cake with cream cheese. This is 1 rice cake cut in half. 2 pieces of Parmesan. That's for that. It's got a tupper of grapes, 1 cucumber sliced in 4 slices, and a tomato. 1 tomato. So this is his lunch for tomorrow.
Yum!
Yes, and he just had a bath. Okay, today's lunch is a rice cracker sandwich with cream cheese, a bunch of grapes, some Bomba, which is corn and peanut butter snack, and cheese. Okay, here is his lunch today. He has a banana. I already peeled it, but I left it in the wrapper so it doesn't get, you know, discolored. And then I'd have 2 slices of turkey, a couple of little pieces of this bar, and some cheese. Now technically he goes to a Jewish school and they like to be kosher, but I put the cheese and the meat separate, so hopefully they won't even notice that he has cheese and meat in there. So that is his lunch. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.